How to log in into Dubai Council tax account. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Log In. In this How to Log In series, today I'll be teaching you guys how you can simply log in into your Dubai Council tax account. So let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection on your device. After that, open any browser you have on your device. For instance, I'll be using Safari. Now search for the Dubai Council tax login on the search bar. As you can see, I have already searched for it. After searching, different website and link will be appeared on your screen. Click on the first website that says Dubai City Council. Now wait for a while and you will be directed to this page. Now here you need to enter your email address and password in order to log in into your account. And in case you have forgotten your password, you can simply tap on the forget your password option below the sign in. And with that, you are good to go. In this simple way, you can simply log in into your Dubai Council tax account. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.